Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only Google slide from Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So you've been given access to a Google slide on Google Drive, and it's got some really important information, and you want to download and make a local copy. The only problem is, whoever shared it with you has not allowed you to download this document, because if you click on File and then go to download, it's grayed out. You can't download or copy the data from this Google slide. However, there is a way to get around this so you can download a local copy. I also want to say, the person who made this Google slide or who shared this Google slide won't know you've done this technique unless you've told them. With all of that, we need to look at the URL. So we want to edit the end of the URL. After this slash here, there's going to be edit #slide id.p or a bunch of other characters, because the URL will change depending on the slide number you are on the Google slide document. So it actually doesn't matter which one you have, but I recommend going with the starting slide because that means there's less to delete. So you want to start from the edit, and you want to click and hold drag to select all of this text after the slash before the edit text. And once you've got it all highlighted, you can press the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard. The next step is we need to type in htmlpresent. So that's htmlpresent. This will be in the description below for you to copy and paste. And once you do that, you want to press the enter key on your keyboard. And you'll be viewing a HTML presentation version of this Google slide. So we've got each slide on its own little page, and it's like a little PowerPoint. However, this is only the first step. Now we need to right click somewhere on this HTML present view of the page. So right click on a slide, and then go to Save As. After that, you need to then give a name to your document. So it will give you a name by default, but you can change it if you want to. So I'm going to add on important onto the end. Make sure it's a .html file. So the file name needs to end with .html. Also, for the Save As type, you need to make sure it's webpage complete. If you do, webpage HTML only or webpage single file, it won't capture all of the data you want. So make sure it's Save As type webpage complete.html. After that, you can then click on Save. And you've now downloaded a local version of this HTML present version of the Google slide that's view only. So let's go and locate this file. And this is our file here, reasons to subscribe to Maxo Diddley Google Slides importance.html. And you can just double click on it to open it up, or you can right click, then go to open with, and then go to a web browser of your choice. And I'm going to pick Google Chrome. And if you look at the URL here, this is a local file path, meaning we have opened this file from the HTML file that we've downloaded. So we've got a local copy of this presentation. It's not perfect. However, you have got all of the information that was only accessible and viewable on Google Drive, and now you've got a local copy in case maybe it's some important lecture notes, or you need to take this with you to a place without internet, or you want a backup because your job doesn't let you make copies of important documents, whatever it is. And they won't know you've done this unless you just outright tell them. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.